The Ninja Blender Duo with microjuice technology gives you the power to make fresh juice that's light and refreshing. To get started, insert the microjuice filter into the 72-ounce pitcher. Load ingredients following the proper loading order listed in your recipe book. Make sure not to fill the filter past the max fill line. Once you add all ingredients, close the microjuice filter lid and secure the pitcher lid. Next, lower the pitcher onto the base and turn clockwise to lock it in place. Select Juice. First, the unit will remove air from the pitcher for approximately 30 seconds. Then, it will automatically begin making juice. When juicing is complete, gently pull up on the vacuum release tab, then remove the pitcher lid. With the microjuice filter still in place, pour out your juice. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.